How to change gender in the Character AI app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app. After opening the app, you will see something like this, which are the recent chats. Now to change gender, tap on to create option at the bottom right here. Tap on it. Then tap on to character right here. Now select it. Now to change the gender, you need to be specific about the gender to create the character. Now choose any name that you want to add, just like this, and tap on to next. Then describe what the character looks like, so make it specific that the character is of the certain gender, just like this. Now you can see that I have added the gender of brown tall boy, which is the specific one which says that is the boy, so tap on to next. Then simply create the greetings and tap on to next. Then you can make it public, unlisted or private and tap on to next once again. Then add the subtitle or description and character definition which describes it is a boy or a girl, just like this. After writing it, tap on to done and create. And now you can see the character has been created and it is a boy. So this is how you can change the gender on the Character AI app. Now do the same process to change the gender for the boy or the girl. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.